In order to complete this problem, we need to plug in x as 1 2/10 and y as 4/10. So let's see what we get. We're going to have 3 times x squared. X is 1 2/10, so we're going to square 1 2/10 divided by y, which is 4/10. Let's work out the numerator first. We have 3 times 1 2/10 squared, so let's complete the exponent first. 1.2 times 1.2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Don't forget to indent. And 1 times 1 is 1. Add everything together. Don't forget to count your decimal places. 1, 2. So my answer is going to have a decimal in 2 places over. So now I'm going to plug this back into where we were. So it becomes 3 times 1 44/100 divided by 4/10. Again, let's finish working out the numerator first. So 3 times 1 44/100, let's see what that gives us. 3 times 4 is 12, carry the 1. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 gives us 13, carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 gives us 4. There's 2 decimal places, 1, 2, so our answer will have a decimal 2 places over. And now we're going to take that and plug it back into our regular problem. So we have 4.32 divided by 4/10. So now let's work that out. So it's the numerator divided by the denominator. So the denominator goes on the outside of our division problem, and the numerator goes on the inside. Now there's one thing that you have to do first before you can divide long ways, and that is get rid of this decimal. Since I'm moving this decimal one place to make it look like a whole number, I have to do the same thing here. So actually, my problem is going to become 4 divided into 43.2. So now what you need to do is bring your decimal up into your answer first, and then continue to divide. 4 goes into 4 one time, so I'm going to put a 1 here. 1 times 4 is 4, so that's what I subtract. I get a 0, bring down the 3. 4 cannot go into 3, so I'm going to put a 0 here in that place, and then I'm going to bring down the 2. 4 can go into 32 8 times. 8 times 4 is 32, which gives us a remainder of 0. So my final answer is 10 8/10.